Hello everyone, in this video I am going to share with you all some basics of Excel. So without further ado, let's start. The upper left side of the screen is known as Quick Access Toolbar. Here you can add commands which you use frequently. It will save your time. You can add more commands in Quick Access Toolbar by clicking to Customize option. Moving on, just below Quick Access Toolbar, we have tabs like File tab, Home tab, Insert tab, etc. You can add more tabs, remove them and also customize them by clicking right on tab and then go to Customize option. Each tab has different groups and every group has different command. You can add more command, remove them and also customize them as per your need. As you can see in Home tab, we have keyboard, font, alignment, number, style, cells, editing as groups, and every group has command. Like in font, we have bold, italic, underline, etc. as commands. On the upper right side, you will see ribbon display option where you can hide the ribbon. It will provide you more space in case you have small display. Now we move to the sheet. We can add more sheets by clicking here. We can also edit its name and color. If you see here, you will find alphabets and number. This is known as column and this is known as rows. And at the block at which they are intersecting is called cells. And if you want to know which cell you are at present, you can see it here, cell address bar. Now suppose you are at any cell and you want to go to the first cell, press Ctrl plus Home. If you want to go to the last data field cell, press Ctrl plus right arrow, and if you want to go to the first data field cell, press Ctrl plus left arrow. To select entire data of any row or column, press Ctrl plus Shift plus arrow. Now moving on to the cursor, this is known as select handle. With the help of it, you can select the desired cell. This is known as move handle. With the help of it, you can move the data of any cell from its present location to the other desired location. This is known as fill handle. With the help of it, you can copy the data to the other cells. When we select a group of cells, starts from upper left and ends to the lower right is called as range. In range, the tab button will move right side only within the range. This is known as formula bar. It shows cells data or formula instead of data. To create a table, first we need data which I have already created right in front of your screen. Next step is to select the entire data which we already know. After that, we will press Ctrl plus T and then OK. Now after this, we are seeing that a new tab has appeared in front of our screen, table design, through which we can design our table. We can present this table in a different way as well, and to do this quickly, I have added some commands in Quick Access Toolbar like all borders and grid lines. First, I will select the table and turn off grid lines and then click to all borders. We can also edit our table through Home tab as well. I hope that through this video, it will be more easier for all of you to understand Excel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with all of them who wants to learn Excel.